Well, I'm back in the greenhouse. Max here. And last time was a week ago that I filmed in here. That was Easter bank holiday, or the Easter holiday, and I can't believe how much everything's grown in a week. These are the sweet peas. They've been coming on really nicely. Give them all a drink. I'm looking a little bit weepy. But, as I said in the first video, I haven't got a clue what I'm doing here. It's all trial and error, learning as I go along. But what I have noticed is something seems to have been eating some of these plants. These are geraniums, or geranium seeds, and they were looking pretty good last week, but something seems to be eating them. Now, we haven't got any snails in the greenhouse, can't see any bugs of any type, but something's obviously having a feast on them. It looks like the sweet pea's been eaten as well. Let's get a refill of the water. If anyone has any ideas what might be eating these plants, and any ideas of what I can do to stop it. I mean, this was full of little seedlings, and they've all been chewed away, but there we go. So, oh, I've just noticed we seem to have one of the beans coming through. That's a bonus. These are old seeds. These bean seeds were old seeds from a few years ago, but I'm really pleased with the tomatoes. They seem to have shot up in the last week. I don't really know how big they have to get before I put them in pots, so if anyone can give me an idea of how tall they need to be before I repot them, I'll be really grateful. But I'm just amazed that they've actually grown. There's some more tomatoes down here that's the same size. So fingers crossed, as long as something doesn't eat them, we might have some tomatoes this year, which I'll be really happy about. These are the ones that Max stands on when he comes in, but they seem to have survived. These are rhubarb seeds that I found from a year or so ago, or say a year ago, more like about 3 or 4 years ago, but I lose track of time very quickly, and I don't know whether these are going to do anything, but if they do, it's a bonus, as I say. These are all sweet peas as well. These seeds seem a bit stronger than the others. Perhaps they're in a better place. They might like it down here more than up on the top shelf. But they certainly don't seem to be eaten like the top ones. I've got to say, for the first time, what I've done is I put some seeds in the toilet roll tubes, and also seed trays originally, but the toilet roll tubes don't seem to have stood up. They are crumbling away and disintegrating, so I think I might have to put those in pots very shortly. But there we go, just a quick, I don't know whether there's anything happening under these. Doesn't look like that one. Is anything? Nothing there to speak of, and nothing there. Oh well, as I say, if anything grows, it's a bonus. There we go, just a short catch up on the greenhouse.